Brother and sister, get back in with me, Sam Richard Copperfield. In this session, I want to invite you. Okay. Yes, my real name is Samso. Guys, this session, I want to invite you to talk with the member of ex-member of Open House event, which is there's Zia and there's maybe someone. No, yes, there's Gilang, right? Right. Okay. Let's we have. Hey, where do you want to go? Oh,
Your brother.
oh, don't you see that?
He's dead.
Oh, that's Gilang's brother.
Oh my god.
Oh, shit.
Hey, Samsu.
Okay, guys, so let we have a big conversation with both of them. What about their feeling? And yes, let's be sorry on. So, hey, both of you. Hey, where you want to go? Okay, good. So, Zia,
Yeah.
how are you today? How are you?
I'm fine.
Fine.
I'm very tired, so because I'm from the school. We use the uniform.
Yes. Don't you see that? She's still wearing the uniform, and then?
And then I want to go to English Time Club
What? To what?
to bring my certificate.
To bring.
Someone in the toilet.
Okay. Someone in the toilet. Hey, yo, Gilang, how are you?
Yes, I'm fine.
Fine. Okay.
I'm in the toilet.
Hey! How are you today?
Can you
Fine.
there?
Yes, fine.
Fine. Is there something?
How are you?
Fine.
Okay.
Is
What's
that-
your name?
Okay. You know, he never stop asking. What about my turn? Okay. So, is there something special today?
Someone is special? No.
No. Nothing special today.
No, nothing.
Just so.
I feel bored in this day because in the first day I'll go to school. I come late with my boyfriend. Oh my god.
Oh, late. Oh, you know what? There's one word for you when you late going to school. It's that. That. So, what did happen after that?
Because I have a sleep after subuh pray, and I didn't go to mosque because I feel sleepy,
Okay.
and I didn't come to kuliah subuh.
Oh, having some what Islamic recitation at dawn, right? So is it like it's not mosque,
Mosque.
but mosque, right? Mosque is mosquito. Good job. So what do you feel when someone,
Oh.
someone, right?
Okay, no.
Come here and then face you off, and then yes, what do you feel? What will you feel that time?
I'm so surprised because
Right.
last I met with him in June maybe. June. It's a long time I not see him.
Okay. You know, guys, I don't know, but depend on my feeling, depend on my prediction, depend on my opinion. Still loving him.
No.
Still loving him.
No.
Okay? Okay. And there's the person. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, Gilang, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Fine. Is there something special today? Is there something special today?
No.
No? Why?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yes.
So what do you feel now, one? Hello? What do you feel now, one?
I'm still bored
Bored. Why?
because I must wait.
I must wait.
Yes.
But is it for love, right? You do it for someone that you love, don't you? Okay. Oh, such a gentle man, right? Okay. So Zia, what do you feel for her sacrifice for his sacrifice? What do you feel?
Question?
Sacrifice, sacrifice. He wanna wait for you.
Oh, I'm so like a woman in what is that? Feel like special woman from him because he is my
Okay.
boyfriend.
But you know what? That's the kind of statement which is I'm really, really afraid. I feel so like a woman.
I like girl. No.
No. I feel like a woman. Is she a boy? Feel like a woman. I don't know, but careful, right? Okay. So. Okay, so Gilang, talking about love, right? How many times you ever fall in love?
Mm,
It's like a bird blowing up your head. Oh, hello. How are you, honey? I don't have any credit.
I don't know.
You don't know? What? You don't know?
Yes.
Okay. So, when was the first time? When was the first time you met with Zia?
And my first.
No, stop it up, Gila. When?
When? First grade.
First grade.
Yeah.
And I have a question. What did you feel at the first time when you see her?
She's very beautiful.
Oh! Okay, for any one of girls out there here, I just want to tell you something. When man or boy say she's very beautiful, that's bullshit. Be careful, right?
No bullshit.
No bullshit. Is it real?
It's real.
Oh, okay. What do you think? Zia is very beautiful. Why?
Because it's my own.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Hey, Zia! Be careful for your nose. Come on, don't let it fly. Okay, keep it down, right? Okay, your face getting red. Oh! I don't know what will happen after I've uploaded this video on the YouTube or on Facebook. Maybe a lot of people will comment on this video, and then will say, "Oh, what a lovely bird!" Right? Both of you, a great couple, and you. I don't know exactly, but why? Why do you choose her? Or what makes you love her? Only that. What makes you love her?
Because she's what's the
Oh, it's hard to explain, right? Oh. Okay, forgot it.
okay? What? Yes. Care.
Okay, wait. Seems hard to be explained, right? Okay, you. Yeah. So
Me again.
of course, you're the boy, right?
You boy.
Okay, so
Boy. Oh.
for now on, Gilang, what do you want to say for Zia? What do you want to say for Zia now on? Oh, I hate this moment. I really hate this moment. No whispering, no grumbling.
Zia. I do love you.
Oh! You know what? It's spicy. It's just like we eat some chili and then Zia, I do love you. Oh, that's really so. Zia, what do you feel after he said something like that? What do you feel?
I feel like girls, stupid girls, because she always says that to me. And one day, three or five times
Mm-hmm.
in one day, his statement like that to me.
Oh. But you know something, right? There's a kind of statement which is like, I feel like someone is stupid. Why did she realize it now? I think it's been a long time, right? She's so stupid. Only that. That's I want to say. So, and now the question is, when was the first time you met with him?
Meet?
Yes, you met with him.
I know him from my friend in the past, because he is the best friend with my friend too.
Okay, so What do you think when the first time you met with him?
I think it's a good boy.
Oh, good boy. Are you sure? Good boy?
Yes, I see you.
Okay.
And the first met with him, I just have a boyfriend and
And oh, you have a boyfriend when you meet with him. Okay. Gilang, what do you feel that time? Did you feel hurt?
Yes.
Oh, right. Seeing someone that you love being with another boy. Oh, it's really, really like a shit, right?
he waited for me 2 years.
Oh, don't you see that? 2 years. Wow. It's really, really maybe kind of true love or something like that. But yes, he wanna wait for some stupid girl like her maybe. Not me. You say it only. Okay, good. So, and what is the name? No. What was the name of the boy?
My boyfriend.
Yeah,
My
X. Okay.
I must say that.
Yes, of course.
But you know.
Cause you know who I am. All right. You never visit my class, but Gilang, have you visit my class?
What?
Have you visit my class? Visit? No, attend. Enter my class. Yes, join my class. In when the open house event. Oh yes, you have done with Chacha, with Rara, right? No, with
Hendra.
Oh yes, with Hendra, with with Hendra, right?
Hendra.
With Hendra. So you know who I am, right? I'm a crazy person. I'm a crazy person. I just want to get something that I want. So tell me the name of the boy.
Oh.
Who it was? Oh my God. And who is he? Who was he?
Must I say?
Of course you have to say it.
I want to forget him, but
Oh, okay. But
Oh.
you know what? I just want to tell you something. When the girl try to forget some boy, especially her ex, it is kind of bullshit. Because she usually keep his name inside of her heart. And for you, girl, I'll give you some advice. When you hate someone, never hate him or them too much, because you will be fall in love with. Only that.
Okay.
So when you hate him, just make it simple, right? Just make it simple. And when you love someone, never love them too much, because when you love them too much, you will be broken heart. Only that. Okay. And then Gilang, who is
Yes.
what? No, Gilang. No. You know who I am? Who was your ex girlfriend? I'm sure this is not the first time you fell in love with, right?
her girlfriend is very beautiful than me. More
Oh,
beautiful, I think so.
Really?
Yes, of course.
Ah, she feels kind of jealous, don't she? Ah, okay. Who is the name of her?
Hmm.
Yeah, say it. It's okay. She will just explode it something like a bomb. Say, don't give a shit, right? Don't give a fuck.
Angry.
I don't care.
I'm not angry.
You know. It's like no, I'm not angry. No, I'm not angry. Okay. Oh, my love. Okay.
Enough.
Okay. You know, guys. Later, I'll upload this video on Facebook and on YouTube, and then it's like having some love conversation with one of them. It's like I don't know. There's a boy which is wanna wait for a girl. A boy wanna wait for a girl as long as 2 years. Can you imagine that? That's really, really freak, right? Other than that. But for 2 years, for him, I just want to say awesome. Only that. Right? Okay, so
Thank you.
say bye to the camera.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, and then this is English Time Club. See you later and